What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. So today I'm going to have a market update for you guys since we are seeing a major correction in the markets. A lot of the top 20 cryptos are down anywhere from 10 to 20% right now. So I'm going to go over this. There is some bad news in the markets. I'm going to go over that as well. So be sure to stick through to the end of the video. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on the market and when I think we're going to be seeing a recovery. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. I'm doing at least 2 videos per day right now in this crypto bull market, just to bring you guys the most relevant news as it comes out. You can also find more crypto news at my website at JRNYcrypto.com and useful resources in the video description. So the initial reaction I'm seeing a lot of people having is total panic because we are dumping 10 to 20%, but you have to keep in mind we just had anywhere from 50 to 100% profits on some of these cryptos. XRP is still up 92% on the 7-day here. So you have to consider a lot of these cryptos went parabolic and a small correction is normal. It may even go down a little bit more than this. We could see XRP go under 50 cents. But overall, I'm still very bullish on cryptocurrencies. There's also some bad news today. So that FUD aligning with the market correction is probably why we're seeing a 15 to 20% dip on some of these cryptos. Cardano is still up 25% on the 7-day. Even though it's down 18.5% right now. I did see ADA go as high as 18 cents. And I do think some major stuff is coming for Cardano. Charles Hoskinson posted on Twitter something that's pretty bullish. Possibly that Coinbase listing. So I will be doing a major update video on Cardano in the upcoming couple days as well. And like I said, I will be doing at least 2 videos per day right now, just to bring you guys all the major news and what I'm most bullish on as well. Things are moving very quickly, so I'm trying to keep up with everything that's going on. So overall, we're still looking good in general. Bitcoin actually started going up again and almost touched its all-time high. A lot of people were calling for Bitcoin touching its all-time high today. Unfortunately, things started dipping, especially with this news that I'm going to show you in a moment. So when Bitcoin was closing in on the all-time high price today, it actually reached its all-time high market cap, and that's because there's Bitcoins being created from mining every single day to make the network operate. And as those extra coins come into circulation, as the price goes up, the market cap is higher when it hits that same price because there's more coins. And how market cap works is you multiply the price times the total amount of coins in circulation, and that's how you get your market cap. So Bitcoin actually broke its all-time high market cap today. So that's a major achievement. It didn't break the all-time high price yet, but you have to consider there's a lot more coins in circulation since the previous all-time high. So before the main bad news, PayPal suspends user for crypto trading using PayPal's own service. The user's funds are reportedly under a 180-day hold, and this was actually only a small amount here, as you guys can see in the article. $462 is on hold for 180 days. PayPal always does this to users if their account gets flagged for any reason at all. If there's any chargebacks or there's any keywords or anything type of transactions that flag their account, they pretty much automatically have their funds put on hold, and then you have to go through support and everything trying to release those funds. So they do that just to prevent people from scamming people and doing other bad transactions from stealing money. This could just be an error. I didn't look into this too much, but that is some strange news. But PayPal does this to everyone's account, even just regular merchants not using cryptocurrency. So the main bad news for today, Coinbase CEO, Trump administration may rush out burdensome crypto wallet rules. So this is really bad if the Trump administration attempts this. I really hope this doesn't happen. As we've heard over the past year, the government is definitely rolling out and trying to tax people and get people on cryptocurrency this year. They're cracking down on cryptocurrency basically. So if this really happens, this is really bad news. So I can see why the markets are kind of dumping in panic while there's also a correction. So the CEO of Coinbase actually posted about this on Twitter. He said, "Last week we heard rumors that the US Treasury and Secretary were planning to rush out some new regulation regarding self-hosted crypto wallets before the end of his term. I'm concerned that this would have unintended side effects and wanted to share those concerns." For those who don't know, self-hosted crypto wallets, also known as non-custodial wallets, or self-custody wallets are a type of software that lets individuals store and use their own cryptocurrency instead of needing to rely on a third-party financial institution. Self-hosted crypto wallets are important because they allow anyone to use this new technology to access basic financial services, just like anyone can use a computer or smartphone to access the open internet. And then he goes on pretty long here supporting his statement. So basically what they're trying to do is prevent you from owning your cryptocurrency and your own wallet, which is definitely not good. Over the last year, we've definitely heard news that the government is trying to crack down on cryptocurrencies. They're going to be taxing people. They want to make sure they're getting all their tax money from cryptocurrency traders. So by preventing citizens from using their own wallets and making them use regulated platforms like PayPal, Coinbase, and Binance US, they're basically making it easier for them to track transactions and then therefore tax you on your cryptocurrency transactions. So I think that's their real aim, is to get it narrowed down to where they can have a better eye over everything. So I don't think this will happen, but it's definitely some huge FUD that definitely is raising alarms with many people. So if you guys want to read through this article, I will put a link in the video description. Definitely very important. Okay guys, so some very important news as well. Binance is ramping up crackdown on US users, giving them 14 days to withdraw funds. I don't know what happens after that 14 days. Your funds might be locked in your account if you don't withdraw it. So if you know anyone that's in the United States that still uses Binance.com because they created an account before Binance US came out, then they do need to withdraw their cryptocurrency from the platform before this shuts down. So if anyone is using Binance.com right now, I definitely recommend using Binance US as a US citizen. There's links to sign up to Binance US in the video description. I do appreciate if you guys use that link. It's basically the same user interface as Binance.com, but it doesn't have as many features. They're starting to roll out more and more features. It's still the best platform to use for trading cryptocurrencies from the United States, in my opinion. And I'm doing a trading series on my channel as well, showing you guys turning $10,000 into $100,000 using Binance US. So if you guys want to check that out, it's on my channel as well. So only 14 days, and this was posted yesterday, so only a little over a week and a half left to withdraw your funds from Binance.com. If you have any money stored in that Binance account, you definitely want to withdraw it to an external wallet or send it to your Binance US account or whatever other exchange you're using in the United States. This is very important. This is part of the crackdown that the US is doing, I think, trying to narrow everything down as much as possible so they could have their eye on everything. They can track transactions easier, and then they could correctly tax people on their crypto trades. So the markets have actually gone down a couple more percent since I started this video, and I wouldn't be surprised if this continues another 5 to 10%, but I do think we will be recovering overall by the end of November. I think once everyone gets together for Thanksgiving, everyone's going to be telling their friends and family about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and how much gains they've had over the last couple months. And I think a lot of retail FOMO is going to kick in from that. This happened at the end of 2017 as well. If you look back to that bull run, the bull run didn't really get started until after Thanksgiving, pretty much the first week of December. So if we have something similar to that, I do see a lot of retail FOMO kicking in and a lot of price action. I think a lot of upwards movement would be coming out of that. We'd be breaking Bitcoin all-time highs, as well as Ethereum all-time high very soon, I believe, and Binance BNB is close to breaking its all-time high as well. So huge things overall. So don't be totally worried about this bad news, although this is extremely bad news if this does actually happen. I don't know how they would crack down on this or how they would know if you had your own private wallets, but if for some reason they saw transactions connected to private wallets from your exchange accounts, that could be a way that they find out, and then you could get a penalty fee or something from that later on. So hopefully this does not happen, but it is some major FUD if this does happen. Overall though, they do want people trading cryptocurrencies in the US. Otherwise PayPal wouldn't have launched cryptocurrencies at all. They just want to be able to tax everyone on these trades, and they want to be able to get as much money from crypto traders as possible. So they're really trying to get total control over the markets so they can see everything. and see what's happening so they could track everything and properly tax everything as well. So if you guys know anyone new, friends or family that want to get into cryptocurrency over the holidays, please send them my free cryptocurrency 101 course. This is a 15 video course, over an hour and a half of content, very important information in here, and will definitely help a new cryptocurrency user not make any mistakes or get scammed. And overall, the more educated retail investors are, the less of a crash we will have this next bear market. So that's very important as well. There will be a link to download this in the video description. This is exclusively on the SparkPoint learning platform, where you can find other financial courses as well, and it's all 100% free. You can even earn some free cryptocurrency with the SparkPoint platform by doing bounties and other simple tasks. So I do recommend signing up for that. There will be a link to that in the video description. Please let me know what you guys think about the markets right now. Comment below. I am trying to reply to every single comment now, and it does help the videos rank better, which gets more traffic to the channel as well. I am trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so we have a little over a month to get over 10,000 subscribers. I definitely think we can achieve this. So thank you guys so much for all the help and watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.